Hello friends. Today, I want to share a story about a trip to the market. On weekends, my family and I love visiting the local bazaar. It's a lively place with colorful stalls selling all kinds of things. As we entered the market, the aroma of fresh flowers filled the air. Our first stop was the fruit section. We saw juicy oranges, ripe bananas, and sweet-smelling pineapples. The vendor let us taste a slice of watermelon. It was so refreshing. Next, we explored the vegetable stalls. Bright red tomatoes, vibrant green spinach, and crisp carrots were neatly arranged. Mom picked some to make a delicious salad for dinner. As an additional gesture, the vegetable seller gifted us a small bundle of fresh herbs. Then, we headed to the bakery section. The smell of freshly baked bread was irresistible. We chose a loaf of soft bread and some sweet pastries. The baker recommended a special cake for dessert, and we couldn't resist trying it. As we strolled through the market, we encountered stalls selling handmade crafts, colorful fabrics, and unique trinkets. It felt like a treasure hunt as we discovered hidden gems. The market trip ended with us carrying bags filled with fresh produce, bakery delights, and a few special finds. It was not just a shopping trip, but a delightful experience, exploring the vibrant sights and sounds of the market. We returned home with smiles, looking forward to enjoying the goodies we bought.